What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network and Just a Tip. Now, this is something that we go over here all the time whenever somebody calls in, especially with a brand new vehicle, on how to properly protect it. Well, we're going to show you exactly what happened to this 2022 Durango SRT that hasn't been touched, hasn't had any ceramic coat on it, or even paint protection film either, and show you exactly what goes on over the last 13,000 miles, which is currently on this vehicle. So if you come over here and check out the paint light, you can see all the swirls and scratches that are coming down all the body lines here, right across the door. This is due to multiple things, one being improper wash methods and not taking care of the vehicle, but a lot of this was probably left from the dealer as well when the car was picked up. So Mr. Jim, the legend himself right now, is going ahead and taping off all the vinyl striping across the whole vehicle to make sure that our polishes don't get caught in all those corners. And then we're gonna go ahead with a two-step correction and make sure that we dial this thing right in before applying a ceramic coat to it, so that makes everything a lot easier. So your tip of the day, as always here at Menard Premium Detailing, is protect it, always, the right way, from the beginning. Thank you guys for checking in. As always, keep shining.